Class 3 EVS, okay, chapter 8 now. Plants. Now first is what? Types of plants, okay. We see many kinds of plants around us, okay. Some are big, some are small. Different types of plants grow in different condition. Big and tall plants are called trees. The hard and strong stem of a tree is called a trunk. Okay, you have seen the middle part, the hard and strong part of the tree, that is called, the middle part is called trunk. Okay, big plants are called trees. Banyan, neem and people are trees. Banyan, neem and people are big trees, big plants, so they are called trees. Some plants with thin woody stems are called shrubs. Okay, some plants with what they have with thin woody stem, they are called shrubs. Suppose rose, tulsi are called shrubs. Rose and tulsi, they have thin woody stem. Okay, now small plants with soft stem are called herb. So, small plants, okay, small plants with soft stem are called herbs. Those who have soft stems are called herbs, like spinach and grass. Spinach and grass are example of herbs. Okay, some plants need the support of tree or wall to grow upward. Okay, some plant you have seen need the support of some other plant or a stick or a wall to climb, so they are called climbers. Okay, the plants that need support of other things, okay, are known as, and they grow upward, they are known as climbers. They are called climbers. Money plant is a climber. Money plant is example of climber. There are some other plants with weak stem that grow strong, that grow along the, okay, there are some plants that grow along the ground, that means that grow on top of the ground, okay, along the ground. Such plants are creeper, okay, that grow, they don't grow straight upright, okay, they don't stand straight, they grow along the ground, means where the ground is, they will spread in the ground, so they are called creepers. Pumpkin is the example of creeper. Pumpkin, have you seen a pumpkin tree? That is a creeper that will grow along the ground, okay, where the ground is, they will spread on the ground, so they are called creepers. Now characteristics of plants. Now what characteristic plant has? Now see, plants have different characteristics. Some characteristics are given ahead. Now see, plants are of different shape and size. Plants are of different shape and size. Plants are living thing like us. Plants are living thing. Okay, plants are living thing. First, one characteristic, like us, they too need food and water to stay alive. Okay, they also need food and water to stay alive. Plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. This is another point. Plants make their own food by the process of what? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, okay, is the process by which plant make their food with the help of sunlight, air and water. Okay, you will come to photosynthesis later on. Okay, and I think you know also. Unlike animal, plants are of different color. Plants are of different colors also. See, have you seen the plants? Reddish plant and a green plant. Okay, now see. Plants grow in different kind of location and condition. Plants grow in different kind, according to the weather condition. Plants grow in different location and conditions. Different plants have different fragrance. And different flowers have different smell. So different plants have different fragrance. So these are the characteristics of plants. Okay. So what are these? Plants are living thing. They can make their own food. They have different color. Have different fragrance. They grow. Oh, there are different kind of plants grow in different weather condition. Okay, different kind of location and condition. Okay. Now next, leaves. Okay, this also you can do. All plants, true and false. All plants have the same color. Different plants have different fragrance. Plants grow in different condition and location. This one you do by yourself, true and false. Okay. Now, leaves. Now come to leaves. Leaves are the most important part of a plant. Okay, the most important part of a plant and are called the food factories of plant. Leaves are most important part of plant and they are the food factory. That means food are produced here, okay, for the plants in the leaves. So they are called the food factories of plants. Now, they have a green pigment called chlorophyll. They have a green pigment with which they make their food, that is called chlorophyll. The green pigment means the green color, okay, pigmentation. So they have a green pigment called chlorophyll. Leaves have small pores which we cannot see with our naked eye, which we cannot see with our open eyes, means with our normal eyes. Leaves have small pores called stomata. They are small pores, holes on the leaves, that they are called stomata on the surface of the leaf, means on the flat surface of the leaf, which help plants to breathe. With the small pores, plants breathe. Leaves that have chlorophyll, okay, leaves that have chlorophyll make food for plants with the help of, okay, leaves that have chlorophylls. With the help of chlorophylls, they make food for the plant with the help of what? With the help of sunlight, water, and air. This process of making food in plant is called photosynthesis. This process of making food in the plant is known as photosynthesis. Okay, making food for plant with the help of sunlight, air, and water is known as photosynthesis. Now, characteristics of leaves. Okay, now leaves are of different shape and size. You have seen different type of leaves, different shapes and size. Okay, some are round, some are long, some are broad in shape. Okay, some are narrow. You have seen different types of leaves. Leaves are of different color also. See this picture, yellowish, reddish, light green, greenish. Okay, so leaves are of different color also, brownish. Okay, so leaves are of different color. This is two characteristics. Second one, number second. Yeah. Different leaves have different fragrance. Different type of leaves have different type of smell also. See the color of the leaves here. So different type of leaves have different type of fragrance, means smell. Okay, different leaves have different type of edge also. Edge means the corner. They have different type of corners also, sides also. Some are zigzag, some are plain, some are narrow, some are straight. Okay, so different leaves have different types of edges. Okay, shapes are different. Now, leaves have different texture. The quality of the leaf is also different. Some are thick, some are thin. Okay, you can see the texture. If you hold the leaf, you can understand. Some are thick, means fat type of. Some are thin, very thin type of. Okay, so leaves are different textures. Some are smooth, while some are rough. Some of them are very smooth also. Some of them are very rough. Okay, some of them are pointed. Okay, cactus leaves, they are pointed. Okay, thorns are there. Okay, leaves are arranged differently in different plants. Leaves are arranged differently in different plants. Different plants have different type of leaves. Okay, okay, understood. Now for today this much. Uses of leaves we will do next day. Thank you.